Hello friends, welcome to tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can create free account in GitHub, and also step by step I will show you that how you can upload your local files into the GitHub, and after that how you can create a new website inside the GitHub. So step by step I will show you all these steps. So guys, this is the GitHub interface. Means sign up. You can just type here GitHub sign up. GitHub sign up, and then directly you can click here and this interface will come. Now you will see, let's write here your email ID, and here is the password. Username, okay. Now let's continue. And then you will be asked this puzzle. Okay, so now this is done, and now it's asking me to, okay, so a confirmation code, it will go to your email. You have to check and enter. In my case, this is the confirmation code. I'll just copy it and paste here. Automatically got installed, and now it says that okay, so username and password, and then sign in. Finally we are inside this interface. Now it says that complete your profile first, this one. So let's check what is remaining in this. Name, just write here Umar Rahman. Public email, no, I don't want to disclose this. Bio, URL, okay, I will complete all this later. Our first task is to create. So let's click here, go to your personal profile. We are inside this. The first thing what we will do, we will create here repository. Okay, click here and then new. So say we will name it as okay, just I'm giving my name. Okay, description, and we are saying that okay, we want it to be visible publicly, or if you want to keep this for private, you can do that also, but in our case we will make it public. Create repositories. Alright, once repository is created, then you have some option. These are the command line that we will follow later. Apart from that, you have other option also. The first one is you can set up desktop, and you can upload from here also. So if you are using Windows, then this is the easiest way to do this. So let's start from here. Download this. If you want to use this Windows interface, it is more convenient as compared to the other, because you don't have to write any command line in this case. Now it asks us to log in again. Better, let's log in this browser, because we are already logged in, that's why. Continue. Okay, now it's asked us to authorize, so we'll click authorize desktop. Open GitHub here. Name Rahman, it's already there. This is email ID. Confirm GIT, yes, it is there. And it says find your repository, so this is our repository. Okay, so it asks us to clone repository. Simply we can do this. Okay, so now we are inside this. Okay, and our branch is main. So basically this is our project, demo project, which we want to upload there. this one, the files of this project we want to upload. If you want to view, then you can see this is a demo project actually. So I will show you that in case this kind of website or project you have, then how you can upload into GitHub. So that one I will show you. Okay, now let's come back to here, and then let's go to here, add, and then add existing repository. Let's select the path, and inside here let's create one repository file, actually folder. Just I'll name it as GitHub project. Select, add repository. Okay, we have to first create. So it says that okay, do you want to create the repository in this one also, this one only? So GitHub project, this fine description, and it says local path, so it will be user and documents, and create repository. Alright, now what we need to do, if you go to this folder, okay, after that what you will have to do, if you want to see that where that folder has been created, you can see directly it will be taken to here. So we don't have any file in this. What I will do, just let's go to here, and in the bottom we had created that folder, no? So let's go here and then copy all the content. Okay, and now let's keep inside that folder GitHub project, this one. Yes, now let's come back here. You can see now all the file automatically is visible here. As soon as I pasted in this one, then all the file is now visible. Okay, so once this is done, then here you can see publish repository. It says that okay, publish repository. Now it started to upload the files. Once this is done, then what you will have to do, you have to write here some comment summary. You can say blog project. Now it's visible, and then commit to files. That means finally you are sending to your the server actually. So now let's click on commit the file. And finally all the file has been committed, means went there. Okay, one more step actually is remaining, and that one is push to origin, this one, either from here or from there. So once that's done, then you can check here whether it's uploaded or not. Now go to here, and then this is our folder. Click here, you can see all your file has been successfully uploaded. So guys, this way you can upload your project into the GitHub. So this is the step that how you can through this without writing any command line code, you can do like this. So this is one of the method. Later I will also show you that how you can do this using Git. So using Git also I will show you step by step. So that's it in this video, and then in next chapter once again I will show you that how you can create a website in this one. Then after that I will show you also through Git. So let's meet in the next chapter. Stay connected. Bye. So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this one you are learning GitHub and how to upload your project into GitHub. In this one, in the previous chapter I have demonstrated you that how you can create repositories and also how you can upload your local file into the repository. In this case, in the previous video I had demonstrated you, I had created that this one. In case you have missed this video, then you can watch that one also. So all the files, these files are here in our local host, and from here we had uploaded to the server, to GitHub server. Now in this section I will show you that how you can host a free project, means how you can create a portfolio project in this one. So normally the static project you can host here in GitHub and it's free totally. So I will show you that how you can create free website. Now if you see, we have basically two here two repositories. First one is Umar and second one is tutorial arrays, and in this inside that GitHub project. So if we want to create any website from here, web page, then you will have to go to settings here. This is important. After setting, you will have to go to pages. Now if you check here, it is asking us to upgrade, then you can create a free website. All right, if you upgrade, then definitely you will have to make payment, and this is the enterprise version. It's saying that okay, I'm providing you 30 days trial, but what about 30 days? If you're a student or if you're experimenting, then what will happen after 30 days? All your hard work will be gone. So what is the option? Actually, why it is asking to upgrade? Because I was telling that okay, it will be free. Then why it is asking to upgrade? The option is, let me show you why here. Basically, it gives you the option to upload into your first repository. If you click here in your first repository, then since I have not uploaded anything here, that's why it's displaying like this. But if I go to settings here, and then if I go to pages, then you can see it is giving us here the option, right? But since we have not uploaded any file, so what we will have to do, first upload the file. In previous video I had demonstrated you that how you can upload the file. So basically we had uploaded in another repository. In this one we will upload into that in this Umar repository, right? We have two repositories here. You can see this is the one and second one is Umar. So now what we will do, let's upload the project into this one, Umar. If you check here, show in Explorer, then this is our folder from where the file will be pulled. So it doesn't have anything. What we will do, let's go here, and we had created the file. So where is that actually? Okay, I'm just copying here all the files and I will paste into this repository here inside Umar. This is it. Remember, this is in our local host. All the files we will upload from here. Now let's come back here, and then we will have to upload it through this. So you can see all the files is visible now. What we need to do, first we have to publish the branch, but before that main Umar repository or for website. Just we will give here, okay. And now let's click on publish branch, or from here any one of these we will click. Alright, once this is done, then you will see still there is no file in this. If you check here, going into the tutorial arrays and this Umar, if you click, okay, this file has been uploaded here in Umar also. So now if I fetch origin, alright, so now it's fine. So the file has been successfully uploaded into this folder, right? Now the main task is to create a project here, means deploy this into the server. Okay, so this is already there. Now branch we will take main, and then here it says root, that's fine, and then let's click on save. Now it says if you have any custom domain, then you can write here. So basically you have two options now. Your website is live now in free version. So how, where is the URL? This is the URL. You see, this is the URL from where you can access your project. But if you want to connect your new domain, suppose if you have any domain and you want to connect here, in that case you can connect your, means you can write, and there is another process, you can connect your domain. But we are going to use the free version only, So let's open it. What says 404? After refresh, you can see now it is fully published. So it is displaying you their site URL live. It takes some time, so you'll have to wait and you have to refresh. You can see it says visit site. You can see now the project is live, which can be seen by anyone on internet. So guys, this way your portfolio project or any such other project you can successfully make live, and rather than the paper, you can show it. Okay, so but remember, this is here you can upload React.js project, Next.js project, Angular project, or static HTML project, or Flutter project. So Flutter means Flutter web project. So whatever kind of project you want to publish, you can publish like this for free. So the main process is, let me repeat once again what happens. You will have to first upload the files, and then you have to go to settings. The next step is you will have to go to these pages, and then deployment option you will find here. And remember, this one is free, so you will be given in your main repository, not in other repositories, also in one account, okay, because it's free and it is lifetime free, so you don't have to worry about it. So this way you can upload your college project or your portfolio and all that. So that's it guys in this section. In next chapter I will show you that how we can upload the files using command line, git command. Okay, so let's meet in the next chapter. By the time, bye bye.